The third generation of the Q5 SUV models has become even sportier and offers perfect proportions. The taut and high shoulder line creates a powerful silhouette, connects the front and rear lights, and makes the vehicle appear longer. Above the sill, a rising line runs over the wheel arches and into the rear bumper, giving the vehicle a dynamic appearance even when stationary. The front is self-confident, as all the defining design elements are positioned one level higher than in the predecessor model. The sporty wide single frame sits high and is flanked by vertical functional air curtains. The strongly filed and sculpturally shaped headlights create a sharp, focused look, manifesting the agile and self-confident character of the car right from the front. A large air intake with sensors sits under the single frame, giving the Q5 a visually full and wide stance on the road. The exterior S-Line impresses with striking and sporty body components, such as the air curtain tubes with matte anthracite chrome look accents. On the S model, these elements have a matte silver chrome look. The rear of the Q5 SUV has an extremely clear design thanks to the maximum reduction of lines. From the rear window to the lower edge of the three-dimensional shaped light strip, there is a smooth surface, defined by the light strip with a sharp cut across the entire width of the vehicle. The area between the light strip and bumper is kept sleek and gives the SUV a sporty elegance. The diffuser is integrated into the raised bumpers as an island. The positioning and shape of the functional tailpipes depends on the engine. A double square tailpipe under the diffuser on the left-hand side for all diesel engines, or rectangular tailpipes on the right and left for all petrol engines. The S model features the four iconic twin round tailpipes in a new sharpened design. The new Audi Q5 SUV models are equipped with alloy wheels in sizes from 17 to 21 inches. The S-Line exterior and the S model come with 19-inch wheels as standard. Forged 21-inch wheels in S design, which are familiar from other S vehicles. The optional 21-inch tricolor wheel is the extravagant highlight of the wheel range. The design of the interior of the new Audi Q5 SUV is designed to be human-centric, consistently geared towards the needs of its users. The clear layout of the interior provides overview and forms the second basic feature, visual clarity. Functionality and aesthetics are combined down to the last detail. This clear design approach is evident in the horizontal structure of the control panel. An application made of high-quality material extends like a wing across the entire width of the control panel and rises at the transitions to the doors. The control panel forms the basis for the digital stage and for the form-fit integrated air vents. The consistent design of the center console and doors complements the orchestration of the interior. Components in aluminum look and C-clamp shape surround the controls in the doors and center console. With their ascending alignment, they emphasize the robust and sporty SUV philosophy of the Audi Q5. The central component of the interior is the digital stage, which is set up in front of the driver and front passenger in the form of the Audi MMI displays. The clearly aligned displays are integrated into the interior with a perfect fit. The slim, freestanding Audi MMI panoramic display has a curved design and OLED technology, and houses the 11.9-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit and the 14.5-inch MMI Touch display. The 10.9-inch MMI passenger display can be ordered specially for front passengers. Thanks to active privacy mode with shutter technology, passengers can use the infotainment system undisturbed without the driver being visually distracted. At the same time, it offers the option of assisting the driver with navigation tasks, for example. With its material-driven design, the new Audi Q5 meets the demand for a spacious feeling with a high level of comfort. As a counterbalance to the digital and technical areas, the so-called soft wrap element runs from door to door across the entire width of the dashboard. Together with the fabric panels in the door and the armrests, this creates a homely ambience. The clearly designed interior of the Q5 SUV is also highlighted in the dark. The contour light in the dashboard and doors emphasizes the width of the interior. The high-quality materials in the doors are illuminated to great effect. Added to this is the dynamic interaction light, which spans the entire width of the interior as an LED light strip and supports the occupant's interaction with the vehicle. A particularly practical feature of the Audi Q5 SUV is the fully adjustable rear seat. It can be moved lengthways and tilted, thus increasing the trunk volume or comfort for rear passengers as required. At the same time, 3 people can be comfortably seated on the rear bench. With the rear seats folded down, the transport volume increases to up to 1,473 liters, depending on the model variant. The luggage compartment cover can be stowed in a specially designed compartment under the luggage compartment floor. This provides even more space for luggage and a secure place for the cover. Other practical features include an even larger storage compartment under the center armrest compared to the previous model. Numerous smaller storage areas for sunglasses, keys, and other everyday items. An inductive and cooled charging tray with 15 watts of charging power in the front center console. 2 USB-C ports in the front and 2 in the rear. The new Audi Q5 SUV family is based on the Premium Platform Combustion, a platform architecture for conventionally powered vehicles with longitudinally installed combustion engines. All models in the Q5 series at market launch are equipped with the highly efficient Mild Hybrid Plus technology. The powertrain generator generates an additional drive torque of up to 230 Nm and up to 18 kilowatts or 24 horsepower. All models use the 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission. The entry-level 2.0 TFSI engine delivers 150 kilowatts or 204 horsepower, 340 Nm of maximum torque, and is equipped with front-wheel drive. As an option, quattro all-wheel drive is also available. The 2.0 TDI delivers 150 kilowatts or 204 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque and is only available with quattro all-wheel drive. Audi is offering the Audi Q5 as the top model in the series at market launch. The V6 TFSI with a displacement of 3 liters produces 270 kilowatts or 362 horsepower and has a maximum torque of 550 Nm.